theoretical perspective, and we're also going to explore mental disorders from a linguistic perspective. We're also going to take the parapsychological phenomenon into consideration. We're going to take a psychopathological analysis. We're also going to take a pathophysiological analysis. We're also going to study mental disorders from a neurological and a cognitive analysis. And last but not least, we are also going to explore the miscellaneous aspect of mental disorder, where we're going to take a number of different variables or variances into consideration. Now, before we get into all these details, this lecture is primarily going to be more of an introduction to mental of conscious perception. Supraliminal is information that bypasses above the physiological threshold of conscious perception. Hyperliminal is a mixture of both, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold and above the physiological threshold. And then we have hypnosis. Hypnosis is basically, our brain oscillates in different brain waves. You have the alpha, beta, delta, and theta. Hypnosis is basically when the brain transitions from the alpha or the beta to the theta or the deep delta state, where all actions become involuntary, making the subject susceptible to outside influence.
Yeah, suggestion and all that.
Suggestion, right. And then neuro-linguistic programming, often used interchangeably with natural language processing, because they both consist of the same abbreviation, NLP. Mm-hmm. But natural language processing is like a multidisciplinary discipline. It's a correlation between computer language and linguistic models. Now, neuro-linguistic programming basically is a correlation between neurological processes, linguistic models, behavioral patterns, and the human experience. So what do they all share in common? They are all capable, they are all a form of subliminal influence. Now, subliminal in and of itself is information that bypasses below the psychological threshold.